Take it out, come, turn it. This is the best way how to eat the pizza, guys. It will fire up by itself. Welcome to the best pizza channel. Hello guys from Maestro Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my city, yes, Torre a Mare, Bari, and I'm here today to show you something very special because I've been having so many questions, comments, emails on my channel. I publish a video where I cook how to make multiple pizzas Neapolitan style. And yes, today here behind me, like you can see here, we have a restaurant, Zia Teresa. Zia Teresa is a very famous restaurant, and then personally is my favorite restaurant in Bari, basically, where they sell a bunch of kind of food, but also they have a pizza place. We have the ocean, we have the boat, so that's why I choose this magnificent, this lovely. I'm so proud that today I'm able to show you where I come from, show you this amazing restaurant one by one. We're gonna do it all by the ocean. That's what I'm talking about, by the ocean. Like you can see, the restaurant is over there. So yeah, today I'm going to show you something very special made with love and passion, like I do the pizzas. And I'm going to show you also my city, like you can see right now. Let's go. I'm gonna bring you very close by the ocean. Yeah, the water, that's what I'm talking about. Like you can see, you go from the front, you go from the side, you go from the back, you go from the side, and this restaurant is by the ocean. Look at this, what a lovely location. What a lovely location. They go fishing every morning. So now, how to make 10 pizzas all in the same time. So, are you ready? Are you ready? Show me some love. Leave a nice thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go. Show me. Let's go inside the pizza place. Welcome to Zia Teresa in Torre a Mare. Let's go. And here we are. Here we are, the front oven, the mouth, the heart of the restaurant, the oven. Today, I will teach you also how to fire up the oven, not only that. So, to fire up an oven, that's how we do it. Take a look. Voila. We have wood. Let's put this on the bottom here. Okay, done. We have some wood already warm up, like you can see, smoky. We put it there for like 1 hour ago. This way, when you put it in and the oven is on every day, the wood warms up. You put it in the center and then look how it will light up right away without just a piece of paper. Take a look. Ready? Abracadabra. Voila! Boom! Like you can see now, in a couple of minutes, it will fire up by itself. There we go. See, the wood is getting hot and fired by himself, just because it was already warmer from before. Done. So now we leave it at the center of the oven, because this is a big oven. We leave it in the center, this way warms up also the bottom of the oven. And then when the wood starts to fall down, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the side. So let's warm up the oven, let's get ready the dough and the pizza. Today this video is about Bari style pizzas. So how to make it, how to cook 10 pizzas Bari style in the same time. So it's totally different from Neapolitan pizza because the oven temperature is different, the dough is different, the way how we work is different. Today this video is perfect for you. Bari style, so basically it's a thin crust pizza and crunchy. To be able to cook a pizza crunchy, the oven temperature needs to be lower, and voila, you're going to have a nice crunchy pizza. So pay attention all the steps, and thank you so much for watching, and please go ahead and share. The oven is warming up. Take a look how beautiful it is, nice and smoky. But before we start, I present you Francesco. Is the son of the owner, a good friend of mine, which is this guy is going to take over of this restaurant. Francesco, no English.
No, assolutamente.
Niente inglese. I'm gonna ask him where is located, when they open up. Quando avete aperto? Raccontaci un po'.
Allora, il ristorante è stato aperto nel 1950, nel 1951 dall'azienda di mio nonno, e poi di generazione in generazione è passato, diciamo, mio padre.
Wow, so this is a generation by generation restaurant.
Allora, siamo situati a Torre a Mare, Bari, in via Principe di Piemonte 1.
Sul porto di Torre a Mare, come abbiamo visto qui.
Proprio sul porto di Torre a Mare.
It's amazing, amazing view this restaurant, guys. Basically you eat, you feel by the ocean. That's the amazing thing of this restaurant. But today we are here to show you how to cook 10 pizza, nice thin crust and Bari style, all in the same time. So pay attention, this is very instructional video. Facciamo un bel video di istruzione come fare le 10 pizze baresi, cotte, fatte tutte nello stesso tempo.
Vai.
Andiamo, cominciamo?
Cominciamo.
Vai! So first thing, really important, like always, have the ingredients ready. So we need fresh mozzarella, fresh tomato sauce paste, pepper, because between Neapolitan pizza and Bari style, they don't put basil, but they put pepper. Black pepper and some Parmesan cheese. We need, this is basically the dough. Quanto c'ha questo impasto, Francesco?
Questo 72 ore.
72 hours dough made a little bit less hydrated. So this is basically 60-65%, 60-65% di idratazione, sì. Giusto? Fantastic. Take out all the dough in the same time. We're gonna go ahead and take it out. So pass, we need a lot of flour, so it's more easy to do this. Because when you work a lot, you need to be fast. So got 1, 2, 3. In the meantime, I'm gonna explain to you. So yeah, like you can see here, we are taking out all the 10 pizzas before, because you need to be fast once you start to make the pizzas. And then to be able to make 10 pizzas, you know, Bari style, you can do it by yourself. You don't need a second person. But it's always better to have 2 people, one in the oven and one at making the pizzas. So now get the flour and put it everywhere on the counter where you're gonna go ahead and put the pizzas. If you're using semolina, it's even better. Right now we are just using regular flour. Third thing to do here is to stretch all 10 pizzas. So andiamo e le stendiamo. Vai Francesco, passa di là che te le passo. So Bari style, we use a roller pin. We need to be fast. So once you have the sides like this, then go ahead a couple of times like that, take off the flour, and you place the pizza in one place. Done. So let's go ahead, let's stretch it all. What I personally like to do here is to put 2 pizzas. One top on the top and top face down. I like to do 2 in a time. So put a little bit of flour, and this way you are more faster than usual. So that's what I do. I personally do. I keep it there halfway, stretch, and then I'm going to show you what I do. This way the pizza doesn't get stuck on the counter. Done. Flour face down. One more time. Stretch, flour. Again. If you don't want to use the roller pin, you can do it by hand. So now, at this point, let's start to get one by one. Go right there in the counter right there on the counter, and then you press from the top. You stretch from the top, not press, stretch. Boom, you have the pizza, and voila. So we do same thing with everything. Just like that, faster. Boom. And we have 10 pizzas stretched. Here we go, we have the 10 pizzas ready. Francesco, here, take a look. He's cleaning up the oven with, alza, fai vedere, alza, with a little brush specialized for the oven. So he's cleaning up all the bottom with the ash. This way we are ready to have all the pizzas nice and clean on the bottom. Vai, Francesco, vai. There we go. Nice. Here we go how we do now. So put the tomato sauce from the last one to the first one. Same thing. 1 scoop. Once you have the tomato sauce on the pizza, at that point you need to be fast. So now, from the last one to the first one, actually from the first one to the last one, we're gonna go ahead and spread the tomato. Voila. All the way to the crust. Done. Now, Parmesan cheese, same thing from this order. When you put the ingredients on your hand, you're gonna get a lot. This way, you are more fast. You don't wanna go one by one just like that. That doesn't work like that. Now the cheese, same thing. Grab a lot, and your hands grab a lot, and then spread only in the center. Just like that. Then don't worry about the cheese that goes on the floor, because we're gonna go ahead and fix it now. Time. Voila. So now the pepper. Same thing. Try to get the most, a little bit of olive oil. That's it. The olive oil will help the cooking part to cook more faster. Done. So now let's go in the oven. Francesco, the pizzas are ready, and what I did, I have a piece of wood on the side here. Let me get it. It's been warming up. We're gonna go ahead and put it on top, because also for the Bari style you need to have a flame. So the oven is nice in temperature, around 650, 700, and we are ready to go ahead and put the pizzas in the oven. That's how you do it, from the first one that we stretch to the last one. So this is how you go. We have to go and start from all the way to the other side. So try to put it all in the left side, the first one. So let's go ahead and let's put the first pizza. Okay, one. Grab it. 2. 3. Make sure you pay attention the one that we put in the oven. See, is the flour there? Don't worry about it. Get a little bit of flour and then go under. Very easy. Boom. Go in the front. All the way inside. Always very far from the flame. Because if you're going to put it in the flame, the pizza will be cooked. Be cooked more faster. See, we are putting the pizzas all in orders, this way, very far from the flame. The most are far from the flame, the less cooked they are going to be. So we're gonna put it all far from the flame. There we go. Now come, you go ahead and take it out from the oven. So see the one that is the first one that we put it in. Now let's take it out and let's place it on the side here. Let's get the first one that is here in the front and we put it in the back. See the one over there is cooking? Take it out, come, turn it, let's put it here on the side, and let's put this one in the back here. Then this one, same thing. Turn it, leave it there. Turn it, because we have only the flame is only on one side. So we have to turn the pizzas, otherwise they will burn. Check all the pizzas, they are almost ready. If you're not fast, I repeat, see this one? This is ready, almost. Put it on one side, don't panic, because that's the worst thing. Turn it, and voila, the pizzas are ready. 1, 2, 3, take this one out, 4, all the way inside here, boom. Remember, when it starts to smoke like this, that means there is burning. So, but it's still good. It's really good because Bari style and thin crust, they are more cooked than usual. Nice, Bari style. Perfect. Now let's finish this one. Calm, little by little. Boom. Put it back inside the oven. Always put the pizzas in the same spot. Let's go. There we go. Finish to cook. Bottom pizza looks good. 1 second on top. And voila. Take it out. There we go. Pizzas are ready. Little bit more. Stick it out. Voila. And last one. Boom. The pizzas are nicely done and complete. So here you go. This is how you make 10 pizzas Bari style. If you want to give it a little touch, extra, little bit of olive oil. Voila, on all the pizzas. And take a look. Ready to serve. Wait until the end, because Francesco is gonna bring me somewhere very special. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and come here to check out Zia Teresa in Torre a Mare. Le tagliamo o ce le portiamo come facevano gli antichi, old school?
No, le tagliamo.
Francesco likes new school. He's very young generation. I like it very old school. This is how they used to put the pizzas. Aspetta, let's put some space here. This is how they used to do it long time ago. Take the pizza, then flip it over. Voila. Paper, actually this is how they do it. Paper, like that, and then flip it over like a sandwich. Voila. Take it out, and here we go. Francesco, I'm ready to go and eat the pizza. Andiamo? Andiamo, let's go. Andiamo, non stoppare. Vieni. Attenzione alla luce. Woohoo! Francesco, vai, guidami. Take a look, these guys, where he's gonna go. Behind the restaurant, a beautiful, lovely sunset. Wow! Whoa! That's amazing. Man, I eat. Actually, I wait for you. Mamma mia, Francesco, what a location, Francesco, take a look. Follow me, guys, follow me. We have to make it real. Mantieni, Francesco, mantieni la pizza, mantieni, all the pizza, we're gonna make it real. Mantieni, Francesco. We're gonna eat in the real way here. Andiamo, Francesco, vieni. I'm gonna eat real way. Guys, wow. This is the best way how to eat the pizza, guys. Oh my god. Francesco, è veramente buono, eh? And this is the restaurant. Francesco. Oh guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Subscribe. Ciao.